Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. My character is of a negative guy, but with a twist, with a lot more dimension. His name is Gajendra Singh. He's the most powerful guy of his area. And he's somebody who's a very childlike. Though he kills, he murders. His brother is the minister in the state. He's from a feudal family. But he's never met a girl who could mesmerize him. And there comes Arjun Kapoor's character, and the conflict starts in the film. So I treated this character, who's very childlike. He's a lover boy. He's as if he's falling in love for the first time. So more than the negativity, you see a lover boy on the screen. I'm known to play different characters, so that has been my strength, and that has been the most challenging thing in my career, because doing different roles all the time is not something which comes very easy to any actor in this world. For that you really have to work very hard on it. And this character is from Mathura, from the western UP. So you will see a different tone altogether, different body language. Arjun is a darling. I mean, he keeps telling me that he's not dating anybody. But I'm surprised why he's not dating anybody. Why a girl is not liking him? Because he has all the ability, to come across as a very nice, genuine, generous person, and he comes from a family which is very, very popular, and they've really brought him up very well, and he's well informed, not only about the industry and the business, but also about the world. And Sonakshi, her father was quite an inspiration for all the boys who were growing up watching him, and I was one of them. So it comes from the same state, so I had a lot of admiration for the family. But on the set, I have realized that she's I think she's one of the most professional actors that I have seen. Just doing her job, listening to the director, complete sincerity, focused, and at times she used to get food from me. So that makes her my favorite. Most of the interesting roles in a film, a producer or director, they take the biggest of the stars, and if the stars are interested in those roles, they do all the roles. For an actor like me, we are only offered the roles which a star would never touch. Okay, because it will be a second role, or it will be a role that will not fit into his strategy. So there's always a commercial strategy which is ruling over the quality of the role. I grab because I care two hoots about my image. I care two hoots about my strategy. I just go by the flow. I don't plan. I don't strategize. I just look for the good roles, and I beat any genre. You will see me in Tewar, but after Tewar you will see me in 4 niche kind of films. So this is the kind of career graph that I have followed. So whenever there is a role like Rajniti or say Special 26 or say Tewar or say Arakshan, or Shoot at Wadala. Shoot at Wadala, I grabbed the role which was third best, and the 2 of the best were done by the stars, Anil Kapoor and John Abraham, because it suited the stars. And my role, nobody was ready to touch it, so it was given to me. But I loved it. I thought that was the best role in the film. The shooting in Mathura was very memorable for me. I've never been to Mathura, and most of the time I was partying, because Arjun or Sonakshi, they are so much into workouts and dieting, and if I just control my diet, I lose weight. So genetically I am blessed. I don't drink too much, so that is something that saves me from gaining weight. But I was the only one who was partying, throwing party for all the assistant directors who were young. and the director who's in his late 30s, and the writer, they used to just knock my room's door all the time because there was booze in abundance, food in abundance anytime. I knew all the good places of eating, and in Agra, again that was a moment I can't forget because this is the first time that I've seen Taj Mahal. Though I stayed in Delhi for so many years, I've done theatre, but Agra, which was only 4 hours from Delhi, I've never visited in my life. So Tewar took me to Agra for me to have a look at Taj Mahal, which is one of the wonders. After Tewar, Sathu Chakki will be coming. That's one of my most favorite film, and it's shot all of it is shot in Chandni Chowk. Chandni Chowk has a different culture altogether. I don't know how many people are aware of it, but Chandni Chowk, though it is in Delhi, but Delhi has a different culture, and Chandni Chowk area has a different culture altogether. So that is going to be quite an experience for the audience. It's very difficult to know oneself. I would like to believe that I'm a very sincere person, as an actor or as a person. I would like to believe that I try not to offend anybody. I would like to believe that I don't care a damn.
Okay.
I just said the same thing for 3 minutes.
That's because you like to talk. I'm a very brief person.
So
to
you're
the
not
point.
a boxer, kind of a brief.
To the point.
Boxers or briefs?
To the point.
Oh, to the point, so neither.